Hello, YouTube. As you can tell by the title of this video, last night I ordered a 3D printer. Um, wasn't really expecting to do that, but I talked to someone about it. I'd been thinking about it for a while, and I did some research. I found a pretty affordable one called the Solid Doodle Press. It's supposed to be very user friendly. It was like 500 bucks, and the work area is 8 by 8 by 8 inches. So it's a pretty decent um, machine, from what I can tell. So that's sort of a big update with me. Bummer is that shipping is 6 to 8 weeks. Um, so in that amount of time, once it gets here, you can look forward to some 3D printing videos from me, potentially. Yeah. Also, with the video from yesterday, I actually made the recipe, and there's a link in the description to like a written version of the recipe from yesterday's video. So let me know if you have any ideas for what I should do with my 3D printer once I get it. Thank you for watching.